Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel. Today we are going to learn about find and remove duplicates in Excel. There are 8 methods used, but we will learn only 4 most commonly used methods, which are number 1, conditional formatting, number 2, remove duplicates command in ribbon, number 3, Excel formula unique, and number 4, advanced filters. These methods used by advanced users: number 1, pivot tables, number 2, Power Query, number 3, VBA code, number 5, dynamic arrays. Let's begin. First, we will learn about the conditional formatting. This is my data, which consists of duplicate values. You need to just go on the home ribbon, click here on the conditional formatting, and click here on the highlighted cell rules and go to duplicate value. See here, when I clicked it, it shows me all the duplicates regardless its uniqueness or anything. It is giving me that all this data is duplicated, but I need based on the unique value. See, I just clicked and it is showing me the unique values which are duplicating here. See its value, this one and this value is even though, and this enterprise name and everything it's duplicating. So it is giving me that duplication as well. See here, one more thing which we will do it. I will sort my data based on the numbering. Okay, A to Z. See here now, all my data is A to Z. Now, the second method which we are going to learn is remove duplicates in command ribbon. I will copy this and I will make this header here and we will work on it. I will copy this, copy and paste it here, and I will remove the rule here. Okay, and it is giving me the data now as I'm required. Now, just highlight this data, click here on the data ribbon, and here you will find one tab called remove duplicates. Okay, and click on it and it will give you the whole data. You need to click on my data headers and select all. Okay, now what it is showing, 10 duplicates values found and removed, 19 unique values are remain. This is first method in removing the data. Now the second method here which I am going to apply, I will highlight my data, remove duplicates, and I just want to remove duplicates based on my PO number or vendor name. For example, now I will unselect all and I will click on, just select on the vendor name. That's all. Now we are going to the third method, which is called Excel unique formula. Excel unique formula we are going to learn now. Here what we will do it, we will use here equals to unique, and this data source I have given the name a data. See, it's automatically selecting and it is giving me only the unique values which are unique only, means it is removing all the duplicates, whatever the duplicates are there, it is removed. So I will copy and paste the names again as it is on it. Okay, this is based on my unique method, unique formula. And this one is based on duplicates. Okay, I'm going to tell you about this advanced filters. Now the fourth method, which is called advanced filter, it's very easy. Just highlight your data, okay, and just go to the data, and again you have this advance here. If you can see this one under the clear, reapply and advance, just click on advance, and here instead of selecting this you will select the copy to another location. Which location? I will tell the location. Okay, which location? This location. Okay, and unique records only. Okay, see, you can see it gives me only the unique records. These are the four methods which you can apply and make your data filtered as per your requirements. Thank you very much. Feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments.